where you don't have to remember anything. You don't have to put down any seed phrases or store any private keys at all. So in our solution, we actually used kind of different approach because in this situation, then you have a single point of failure, then someone gets in the middle and takes control over your private key. It means that you don't control your money anymore. So in our situation, there is no private key at all. And then we use a technology called secure multi-party computation. So basically, and based on this technology, there are protocols like threshold signature schemes where we replace the private key basically with the and remove the single point of failure. So instead of the private key, our technology implements secrets that are generated independently. So you have your secret, one secret generated on your device, and another secret is generated on the security provider, and this completely independent secret that never meet each other, and they are never stored in one place. So, and mathematical calculations between the secrets, they actually do the same role as the private key. And then on top of that, you can always recover your wallet with the backups and seed phrases in our solution. They're replaced with the completely new privacy-first biometric backup, which is based on neural network that encrypts your face into anonymous biometric code without storing any personal data. So you can never lose access to your wallet.
So quick question.
If you key yourself. Yeah.
So you're building a crypto wallet that's software-based, but with no private key, right? And you're saying that you're replacing that using secrets. That's kind of the technology, right? You have secrets between what, multiple devices, kind of like 2FA.
Yeah, so it's called threshold cryptography. So in order to sign the transaction, several parties might actually cooperate to do this kind of to sign this transaction. So in our situation, what happens that you have your public key on the blockchain, and then you have your transaction data, and then you need the signature. So in the traditional way, kind of in the legacy way, to sign this transaction, you use a private key. In our approach, you use threshold signature scheme. So, and then in this scenario, you have one secret which is generated on the user device, and it's backed up with the user's anonymous biometrics. And there's another secret which is generated on the Spatium side. And these secrets are kind of independent, and they kind of, through the mathematical calculation, they actually sign the transaction, but nothing stores in the middle. So if hacker hacks your phone, he cannot do anything with that. Or if something happens to the service, still your funds are safe. And then you have a total control over the funds, while the security provider who actually keeps the confirmation secret doesn't have any access to a wallet.
So is it kind of like a multi-sig wallet then?
In the multi-sig wallet, it's kind of different approach, because in multi-sig wallet you have several parties keeping the part of the private key. Mm-hmm. So at the end you still have this single point of failure. In our scenario, you don't have any private key being generated at all.
Okay, very interesting. So now, how is this different from other crypto wallets, right? So now I've seen other people as well who are trying to create also kind of keyless wallets, right? So how is your technology kind of different?
Again, we're using secure multi-party computation, and then we are the first company who actually used this technology in the crypto wallet. So we have created the first in the world crypto wallet without the private key, so basically the keyless wallet. And then in the market, there are kind of solutions are basically divided to between custodial and non-custodial options. So and then there are, as you mentioned, few approaches. They're trying to solve the security and functionality issues like a multi-sig wallets or smart contract wallets. But this solution are they have a limited functionality and they have a kind of certain blockchain compatibility by design. So they can be created for a certain blockchain. In our system, we are completely blockchain agnostic, so we can actually create the public key with the secrets on any blockchain. So
okay, very interesting. So how many cryptocurrencies can you support? As many as you like, pretty much?
Yeah. So we have now currently we have all the major blockchains and all ARC, and also you can add a custom token as well.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So tell us what you think down in the comments below.